मैं बहुत ही उत्सुकता से इंतज़ार कर रही हूँ और मैं बहुत ही प्राउड हूँ कि इंडिगो ने एसोसिएट किया है नीरजा के साथ। और अगर आप सारी एयर होस्टेसेस को देखेंगी तो दे आर ऑल वेयरिंग आई एम नीरजा badges and thank you so much for this association.
Thank you so much.
क्योंकि ये हमने actually it's a service. I feel this film is an inspiration to all those cabin crew who day in and day out work for us. And I did training and I realized that almost 60% of the training is about safety. First aid, hijack training, etc., etc. Only 40% is service, and I'm very, very grateful. And Neerja Bhanot was obsessed with her job, and she was very passionate about her job, and she loved it.
India will not forget.
And India will definitely not forget Neerja. Like Ram said, India will not forget Neerja. I know that, and thank you, Indigo.
No, thank you.
Thank you so much.
I mean, it's we have 3,000 young women who go out there and put their heart and soul every day. Sonam, thank you. Atul, thank you. Ram, thank you for bringing their life out onto the scene. I guess for me it's more important that it's just a mark of respect to all these unsung heroes who like hundreds of times a day put out their life and soul into this thing. So thank you very much for bringing their story up alive.
सोनम जिसने भी मूवी देखी अब तक
सबसे बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट अब तक किसका मिला?
मेरी डायरेक्टर मैं हर रोज उनको पूछती हूँ Ram, I was okay, right? I'm fine.
She called me just again. She called me every day. She called me, Ram, how was I? I've now told her so many times that every day she calls me and says, Ram, how was I?
I'm a director's actor, so if my director is satisfied, then for me my job is well done. At the end of the day, अगर मैं अच्छा काम करती हूँ तो वो डायरेक्टर की वजह से है, और अगर मैं बुरा काम करती हूँ तो वो डायरेक्टर की वजह से है.
बट इफ आई माय डैड राजू ईरानी साहब ने कल कहा था कि अतुल दिस विल बी एन इम्पोर्टेंट फिल्म, और मैं ये कहूँगा ऑन बिहाफ द डायरेक्टर, द एक्टर एंड एवरीबडी एल्स इन फॉक्सस्टार स्टूडियोज दैट आई थिंक फॉर एनीबडी वर्क्स इन अ मूवी, when the movie outlives its life and somebody says it's important, so I hope that really happens, and Raju sir is very, very, very precious to all of us.
No,
so I hope that happens.
And like Sonam said, which is that we're here because so that India can actually remember Neerja. We're here for that reason.
And you know what? One thing I'm going to do in 2 hours time. We've got 30 of our best flight attendants watching the movie. If at the end of 2 hours they say they could almost identify, that'll probably be the biggest
That'll be my biggest
compliment.
compliment.
And I'm going to write back to you on that.
Yes.
सोनम इंडिया में हर कोई लाइक है, जिसने भी देखा सबने बहुत अच्छे जो बोला, बट सेम टाइम पाकिस्तान में रिलीज नहीं हो रहा.
जी,
तो
मैं बहुत ही आई एम फीलिंग वेरी वेरी सैड. जैसे मैंने ट्विटर और सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स में मैंने बोला है कि पाकिस्तान वाज द फर्स्ट वन टू अवार्ड नीरजा विद एन अवार्ड for what she did on Pan Am 73, and it's very, very unfortunate because they haven't even let the film reach the censor board for it to be approved or disapproved. They haven't even given us that leeway. I hope people around the world watch the film and realize that we have treated everyone fairly. In fact, we've shown Pakistan in a great light. The whole point of Neerja is, I feel that Neerja is a triumph of human spirit and humanity. She got the tamga insaniyat. It was about insaniyat. She did not differentiate between a Hindu, an Indian, a Pakistani, a Muslim, an American, nothing. She saved lives irrespective. So for me, it's very, very unfortunate that it's not releasing in Pakistan, and I beseech them to kind of just give it a chance, because just see the film. See the film. They're not even letting them see the film. So if that can happen, I hope this reaches out. I pray that it reaches out, because this film is made for people all over the world. Thank you.
निर्जा को तो सब सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, Fear versus निर्जा हैशटैग के लिए, तो सबसे अच्छा सेलिब्रिटी का किसका रिस्पॉन्स आपको लगा?
पिन हुआ है मेरे ट्विटर पे सलमान खान का. मैं आई पिन्ड इट. So I think thank you to the industry for supporting us so much. This is a film that needs your support. Also, I believe that India will never forget Neerja, because Neerja is a national hero. She will make us proud. She has made us proud, and I hope she doesn't get forgotten in the history books. And she will be remembered for everything that she stood for. And she will be. I have complete faith in our country. Thank you so much.
Thank you.